First, open your web browser. Search for Canva. Open the official Canva website. If you already have an account, log in. If you don't have an account, create one for free. Once you're logged in, click Create a Design. From the available options, select Video. Canva will now open a blank video project. Now look for the Templates section. In the Template search bar, type Food. You will now see different food-related video templates. Scroll through the templates and choose the one you like. For this tutorial, you can choose a pizza-related template. Click on the template to add it to your video project. Once the template is added, you can start customizing it.
Click on the text and replace it with your business name or offer. For example, you can add a special offer, such as 2-for-1 Margarita Mondays. Click on the different elements in the template to change their font, colors, and animations. You can also adjust the transitions or rearrange the video pages if needed. After making your changes, click the play button to preview your video. Check whether the text stays on the screen long enough to read. Also, make sure the images, colors, animations, and transitions look good. Once you're happy with the result, your video ad is ready. You can now use the video for social media, your website, or other promotional purposes. That's it. This is how you can create a video ad in Canva for free. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.